Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to get day of the week from dates. For example, we have a list of dates in left side and we would like to just get the day of the week from these dates. So let's do it. So far to get the day, we will use text formula. Just come here, insert text formula. Open it. First of all, the value. We will just select our date. After selecting that, in now the format of the text. So this text formula will give us as text. Okay, the result will be in text format. So here we will write 4D. So the 4D, this means it will give us in the long form the complete name of the day. Let's close it and press enter. So we got the Monday. So now let's drag it down for all the other dates also. So we just extract the day of the week from dates. Now if you would like to display it in short form, so for the short form we again use text formula. And we will just select this date comma then 3D. Instead of 4D we will just write 3D, close the quotation, close the parenthesis, press enter. So we will get now in short form the name of the week. Like this we got it. For example, sometime we want just to display the name, the day of the week in number. So to display that as a number, so for that we will use now a weekday formula is equal to weekday formula. So let's just select this one, close it and press enter. So 2, Sunday 1, Monday 2. Let's drag it down. So this is the number, the number that we got for the day of the week. So it's how we can use the text in the weekday formulas, the functions, to extract the day of the week. So I hope you learn these two functions, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, learn and earn with YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.